Wow, wow, wow. Guys, good morning, good morning. We're here today, another special day in the Diabetes Awareness Month, Victoria Island. Do we have our chef Jessica? Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Tony. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Chef Jessica. We are so excited to see you again, and we're looking forward to see what you have for us today. So that's Chef Jessica in the Victoria Island office in Lagos. So, Chef Jessica, what do you have for us? What are you doing for us today?
Hello, Mr. Tony. This morning I have a mushroom fisherman soup with oatmeal swallow.
Right. Okay. And what are the ingredients that you're going to show us on that? Yeah.
Okay, I chose mushroom fisherman soup with oatmeal swallow because this month is our diabetic awareness month.
Okay.
So the ingredients that I have this morning, I'm using melon. I'm using melon.
Yep.
Then I have mushroom. I'm using mushroom. I'm using blended crayfish.
Great.
I have periwinkles. I have snail. I have stockfish. I have dry smoked fish. Then I have ukazi, locally called ukazi, but the botanical name is Genuinum africanum. That is the botanical name of ukazi leaf. That is Genuinum africanum. Okay.
So just for our chef in the UK, can we buy these ingredients from the UK?
Yes, you can. Yeah, you can.
Okay, great. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, carry on.
All right. So I have uzuza leaf. The English name is called hot leaf. It's called hot leaf in English.
Great.
Okay. Then I have some onions. I'm using some purple onions. Then here in my blender, I have red scotch bonnet, red bell pepper, and red chili all blended together.
Right, fantastic. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Then here I'm using sea salt. I'm not using any form of seasoning apart from sea salt. I'm using sea salt.
Right, okay.
Okay, and the last one is my oatmeal swallow. Oatmeal, this is oatmeal. Okay, so these are my ingredients for mushroom, fisherman soup, and oatmeal swallow. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you. So how long will it take this meal, roughly?
This is just going to take me 10 minutes to prepare. Normally, when you are using your conventional pot, it takes you up to 2 to 1 hour. But because you are using Salad Master Healthy Cooking System, which helps us to cook with low heat, retain the nutrients, or revise the nutrients as well, and also saves you energy. Because I'm just going to use 10 minutes to cook this fisherman soup. Is very, very healthy, and this month is our diabetes awareness month. So this food is actually very good for people suffering from diabetes, sir.
Wow, thank you. And where does it get its name from? Fisherman soup? That doesn't sound Nigerian. It sounds kind of UK. Is there a traditional
name? Fisherman soup is mostly eaten all over the world. It's a combination of seafood, depending on the kind of seafood you want to add inside or you want to put inside. Fisherman soup is eaten worldwide.
So what do you think of what Chef Jong has shown us so far? What do you think?
Oh, Chef John is doing an amazing job. I love what she's cooking. I'm sure it's going to be so tasty. Chef John, well done.
Fantastic. So over to you. Let's see if you can do it as quick as Chef John.
Okay. Now I want to make fisherman soup. The first thing I have to use is to grate my onions with Salad Master food processor. This food processor is kitchen made easy. It's a must have for every kitchen because it is very easy to use and very convenient. So I'm going to shred the onions using cone number 2. Cone number 2 comes with 5 different cones. It's anti-clockwise. So So I'm going to shred these onions using cone number 2 and it's very fast. Wow. Wow. See? When you are shredding with Salad Master food processor, it's as if 6 to 10 people cutting, dicing, shredding, and chopping at the same time. This is the diced onions already. Okay, and this is our Salad Master bowl. So the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to cook this fisherman soup with our 7 quarts. Fisherman soup is normally cooked with oil, but I'm not going to use any oil to make this amazing soup, this beautiful soup. So I'm going to just toast in my onions, grated onions already. I'm stir frying the onions because I've already preheated the 7 quart just for 3 minutes. Wow, I love this sizzling sound. No oil, no artificial condiment.
So Jessica, you just said you just did that for, you pre-warmed the 7 quarts, yeah? There's no oil in there at all, no oil. No oil in there at all, yeah? Can you show them?
No oil at all.
Fantastic.
So I'm just going to add a little water because I'm going to, wow. Wow. Smells so good. So the next thing I'll be adding is blended pepper, all my blended pepper, red scotch bonnet, red bell pepper, and red chili, all blended together. So I'm going to add them all. Like I said, this soup takes up to 30 minutes, but using Salad Master Healthy Cooking System, I'm just going to cook this soup under 10 minutes. Okay, the next one I'll be adding is I'm going to add all the fishes at the same time. The dried smoked fish going inside the soup, the stockfish, the snail, the periwinkles, the crayfish. So everything is going inside the cookware at the same time. Then I'm going to use sea salt. I'm just going to use a teaspoon of sea salt. I'll keep it leveled. Okay. So I'll add it inside the soup. And the next thing is to add the melon, locally called egusi in Nigeria, but the English name is melon. I'm going to add the melon and stir all together. Then I'll cover to simmer for 5 minutes. Then when next I come back to it is to leave it for another 5 minutes. That is total of 10 minutes, and our fisherman soup will be ready. Wow, look at that. This looks so amazing. Looks so amazing. So the next one now I'll be adding is the mushroom, which is the last one. I'll be adding the mushroom. And I'll cover it, allow it to simmer for just 5 minutes. Then the next 5 minutes I'll come back to it is to add the vegetable.
Wow, Chef Jessica, that looks yummy. That looks yummy. And you know what it looks, it doesn't just look yummy, it looks simple. It looks simple. And you know what? I love things that look simple. And you know why I love things that look simple? Because I am simple. And anything that looks simple, that means I can do it. I can do it. And it looks very healthy also. So Chef Jessica, so you're going to leave it there for 5 minutes. Do you have anything else to put in there? Just explain what you put in there again. Yes, just for 5 minutes. Then the next one I'm going to put is the vegetable. Can we see you? Can we see you, Chef Jessica? We can't see you. Oh. That's it. We can see you now. Yeah. Okay. So you said the next thing you're going to do is what? You're going to do it for how many? The next thing I'm going to add is the vegetables. That is the hot leaf and the Gehenna africanum. That is the English name of afan leaf. Right. Okay. So we're gonna come back to you. Yeah. Very shortly. Okay. So thank you very much for that. But please just explain roughly the order you put things in, just one by one. Yeah. What did you do first? Your onions? Okay, for the mushroom fisherman soup, I use mushroom, Oster's mushroom,
I use periwinkles, I use sea snail, I use onions, I use sea salt to taste. Then I use melon, and I use dry smoked fish, stockfish, and crayfish. So these are the recipes that I use for my mushroom fisherman soup. Fisherman soup is eaten all over the world. It's a soup, it's a dish that contains different seafood depending on the kind of seafood that you want to add it to. It's your choice.
Okay, so thank you very much.
Back to our mushroom fisherman soup is almost ready. This is ready.
It's ready.
So I'm going to add the Africanum. That is the name Africanum, locally called afan leaf or okazi leaf. I'm just going to add everything together and stir them and reduce the heat. Okay. Remember that when we are cooking in Salad Master, we are cooking from medium, click, low to retain all the vitamins, most of the vitamins, minerals from our diet.
What are you adding now?
I'm adding the hot leaf.
Right, okay.
So I'm adding the hot leaf. The food is ready. I'm done. I'm done cooking.
Good. Okay. Fantastic.
Yeah.
So what would we normally eat this with? Because this, what would you normally eat this with?
So we are going to eat this with the oatmeal swallow, which I'm already making inside the 10 deep skillets.
Okay, so we can use the 5-quart wok for this.
Yeah.
We can also use this 5-quart wok for this one. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Okay, good. Wow.
So this is ready. I'm done cooking. Food is ready.
Okay, it's ready. Okay, so we're going to come back.
To dish it. The mushroom fisherman soup is ready. Very healthy for diabetic persons. And this is cooked. This soup is cooked with Salad Master heavy cooking system on a very low heat.
So let's just see if we can go into zoom into VI. That's VI's dishing. Okay, it looks nice.